Hi, in this demo I'm going to show you how the application merge utilities of Microsoft Dynamics NAV is going to make the process of application code upgrade very simple and easy. Let's assume we have a NAV 2013 customized database and it needs to be upgraded to NAV 2015. I will be using a machine where I have installed NAV 2013 and NAV 2015 side by side. Let me quickly connect to my customized NAV 2013 database, which is called Cronus, to see the customizations which are being done. One, in customers list, we have two new fields called PAN number and TAN number, which are being added. And secondly, we have a new page called vehicles where all the vehicle related information is being stored. Let's quickly take a look at the developer's environment as well. In developer's environment, table 18, that is customer, has two newly added fields which are TAN and PAN number. And also we have a new table 50,000 which is vehicle with new fields in it. Of course, we also have related pages designed. For example, we have a new vehicle list and similarly customer card is also modified. Now let's start the application code upgrade process. For this, I have a new folder in my D drive called upgrade, and in this folder I have 5 folders as you can see on the screen. In the folder called original, we have to export or save all the objects from NAV 2013 base version as text file. All the objects except system tables have to be exported. Similarly, in modified folder, we have to export all the objects from the customized NAV 2013 database that we were looking at now. Even here, let's export everything except system tables. In the folder called target, we have to export or save all the objects from NAV 2015 base version as text file. Of course, in all the 3 files that we have exported, we have to skip system tables. 3 of these folders have object files saved as text in them, whereas delta and result folders are empty. Now that all the files are ready, we can move to perform the application code upgrade. When you install NAV 2015, it also installs development shell, which can be used for application code upgrade. When you open development shell, all the commands for application code upgrade is listed here. We can of course use these commands right here. However, it is simpler and fun to use Windows PowerShell ISE. I have installed Windows PowerShell ISE on this machine, so let's open that as an administrator. Right hand side, we have list of commands that we can run from Windows PowerShell ISE. If we try to search for NAV related commands, we will not find anything initially. Hence, let's import our NAV commands here first. So let's use import module followed by the link to PSD1 file. And that's the default location where it is stored. Once we run this command, if we try to search for NAV related commands on the right hand side, we'll see the list of commands there. These commands will work on text files that we have exported from NAV to give us a resulting upgraded application code. The first step is to compare. Let's compare the original NAV 2013 version with the modified or customized NAV 2013 version. All we have to do is specify the paths on the right hand side. First, let's specify the path to Delta folder. So I copy the path and paste it there. Next would be the path to the modified folder where the modified text file is saved. And lastly, let's specify the path to the original folder where the original base version of NAV 2013 objects are saved. Once we specify all the three parameters, we can insert this code or run it directly. So once I insert the code, I hit on enter and the compare command is being run. Once this command is executed, we can see a summary of what happened. So the compare command has identified all the customizations that were being made in NAV 2015. Two new objects were inserted, that would be vehicle table and the vehicle list page. Three changed objects, that would be customer table, customer cart page, and a menu suite where the vehicle list was being added, and remaining objects are identical. So we have to carry these customizations to our NAV 2015 database. Now, if we go back to our upgrade folder and look into the Delta folder, we'll see all these 5 objects with the change. So we have a menu suite, 2 page and 2 tables being identified and listed. Of course, we can open these objects and see what exactly happened. So the vehicle is one of the table which was inserted, and table 18 has just 2 new fields inserted, which is why only those 2 fields are being shown. Similarly, all the object additions or changes will be identified and inserted into the Delta folder. The compare command compared the base NAV 2013 version with the customized NAV 2013 objects and listed all the customizations separately in the Delta folder. The result folder is still empty. Now, let's move to the next step where we apply all the customizations stored in the Delta folder to the NAV 2015 objects stored in the target folder. Let's get back to the Windows PowerShell ISE and use the update command. The update command uses 3 parameters mainly. Again, 3 paths have to be specified. One is the path to the Delta folder. Next, we need to specify the path to the result folder, which is at present empty. And last, we need to specify the path to the target folder where NAV 2015 objects are saved. Let's hit on insert and enter to run this command. Here is the summary which says that the update command completed successfully. This command has updated 3 objects in NAV 2015 and also inserted 2 new objects. Now let's go back to our upgrade folder and look in the result folder. The result folder has all the objects from NAV 2015. It also has all the customizations from NAV 2013. If you look at table 18, we'll see all the fields from NAV 2015 along with the customized fields from NAV 2013, that is TAN number and PAN number, which were added. Similarly, all the customizations done in NAV 2013 will be added to NAV 2015 base objects using the update command. Thus, the result folder has upgraded application objects. And this completes the application code upgrade.